Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get straight to the point. It is June 24th, June 2024, and it is AC season. Our company stays extremely busy, but now we're completely swamped. So this video literally is for consumers and mobile mechanics. One of the things that I have to understand when I'm talking to a customer, I'm actually a customer myself. And not everybody can afford for someone to come 95, 100 something dollars an hour or whatever the case may be. They might just be trying to take care of their families. And I have high respect for people like that. And they just don't have the extra money. Do you pay for the medicine? Do you put gas in your car? Now my car's broke down. I got electricity. I got the kids, blah, blah, blah. So I have a tangible way that might help you a lot better when it comes to AC diagnostic. It is not the go-to for everything, but the document that I have that has over 15 to 20 pages is an AC cheat sheet. It tells you literally what the pressure chart should be for the new Freon or the 134A Freon. So when you're putting the gauges on it, instead of looking at the red, yellow, and green, you actually can know the numbers and what the PSI, then know the temperature and where it's supposed to be at for the rest of the summer. It also tells you how the air conditioning system actually works in simplistic forms. It also gives you scenarios of the gauges. Like today, I had a Honda Accord that everything was working good for on it, and it was a new Honda Accord, but 1 minute's hot, 1 minute's cold, 1 minute's hot. It was the evaporator. And I looked on this, and you got to have gauges, which will be in the description, to do a complete diagnostic. You cannot use that little can thing on the low side. You got to have proper gauges. This is the 134A, and this is the one that is for the new Freon. Two separate gauges. You cannot, any shape and way, use the same gauge on both of the Freons. You never want to do that. And the fittings won't even fit anyway. But you can't mix up the Freon anyway. With this, it will tell you the different scenarios, what to look for. It actually tells you and draws a picture for you, literally, the basics of how the air conditioning works so you can have a better understanding. Just simple stuff of cleaning your condenser, which is the part that's in front of your radiator, which is right here. Just cleaning the bugs and leaves off it actually makes your air conditioning work a lot better. Just changing out the cabin air filter actually gives you better fresh air and more air blowing on you for the air conditioning. Just simple stuff. And this is 20 pages. You can actually find this on mobilemechanic757.com. mobilemechanic757.com. You will go to the website and you're going to see something that says book appointment, and beside that it's going to say mobile mechanic documents, and you can look on the AC cheat sheet. It will literally be there for you. And also in the description you'll have a web link that goes directly to you can buy it. It's only for a few bucks that can save you thousands of dollars, because once you start working on air conditions, it's expensive, very expensive. Also, in the description, you need to purchase an inexpensive bi-directional, mine is very expensive, but an inexpensive bi-directional diagnostic machine, due to the fact that if you feel like probing wires and looking at relays and all this stuff, go right ahead. But with bi-directional, I can tell the AC relay and the compressor to actually come on. I can actually see the high, on the new cars, I can see the high and the low pressure sides without even putting gauges up there. And I can command it, and this is the Bluetooth. But the point of the story is, you got to have the right tools to do this stuff, and it will save you a lot of money. And mobile mechanics, this also will save you a lot of money. You're doing a lot of repairs, but you're in the AC season right now. You got to complete the compressor, the evaporator, the AC dryer, the expansion valve, the condenser, whatever the case may be. You will switch from the repairs you're doing and add this on, and you will have so much work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We are booked for 2 weeks straight, and it's just starting the AC season. You could put on all the coats you want to during the winter, but how do you do that when it's hot? If you're in the 757 area from Virginia Beach all the way to Williamsburg, we come to you. You just go to our website, themobilemechanic757.com, and click on book appointment if you need an AC diagnostic, or you need us to just look at your AC and make sure everything is working correctly, preventive maintenance, or if you need an AC recharge. All that stuff is on the website. It's all sitting there. You can make your appointments. And also consumers, you can download this, and Mobile Mechanics can download this instantly, and you get all the information at fingertips. It is not the go-to all, but you got to make sure that you have your gauges for whatever system you have in your car, and all you got to do is pop your hood, and there's going to be a little card that's going to let you know what Freon you have, and then you can go for the gauges. And all that stuff is going to be in the description of this video when it comes out. I'm here for you, mobile mechanics, and I'm also here for the consumers. I'm actually a consumer myself. So it's not like I'm just doing this for one-sided. I go for everybody. Everybody, if I got information and I can help people, that's what I'm about. That's what I do. And all the guys that work for me, we all do the same exact thing. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. And please leave some positive comments. And everything will be in the description of everything that I said and all the stuff that you need. And if you're starting a mobile mechanic business, we also do consultation. You just go back to the website, book an appointment, depends on where you're at, and I will talk to you one-on-one and get you where from the very beginning, if you're in the middle, or if you just want to blow up faster. Everything from vehicles to advertisement to closed, all the documents. There's 9 documents, depends on where you're at. So I really thank you all for being wonderful subscribers and my future subscribers and all my wonderful customers. I could not have done it without you and God. Thank you.